Malema, and it deals with the decision by the US government to halt aid to South Africa and our response thereto. And I wanted to thank Mr. Malema for bringing this topic to the House because I think it's a very important subject that we need to discuss. I was a bit concerned, Mr. Malema, with all due respect, when your speech was not so much a concern about the people affected by the halting of this aid, but I think it was to a very large extent a strong attack on the United States, and that obviously is your right to do so. Now, since PEPFAR was created in 2023, the United States has spent more than $8 billion, my apology, on this project in South Africa, which made a huge difference to many, many people. As a matter of fact, for this current financial year, 2025, an amount of $439 million were budgeted, but that is now being suspended. My concern is there's a much bigger threat in terms of what's happening at the moment.